Do you want to learn how to make this super sweet sugar scrub? I'm Katie and you're watching AFI's DIYs and you're about to find out. First, we're going to prepare our surfactant mixture. I want the scrub to produce lots of foamy bubbles, so I'll be using Cocamidol Propyl, betaine, and SCI. Both of these surfactants are derived from coconut oil, which will produce a nice fluffy lather. To both of these, I'll be adding in glycerin. Now that I have this all together, we're going to go ahead and push this to the side and grab our next mixing container. In here, we'll be mixing the emulsifying wax, fractionated coconut oil, polysorbate 80, and shea butter, which we already had in the container. I'm going to give it a good stir now, and once it's all stirred up, we're going to melt it down. All right, it's melted down. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in the microwave. While that's melting, we can also go ahead and grab our surfactant mixture that we had before and place that in our double boiler to help the SCI dissolve. To facilitate that, we're gonna gently stir this. When all the solids have completely melted and the surfactant mixture is clear, you can remove everything from the heat and start combining everything. First, we have some deionized water here, which I'm gonna add into my surfactant mixture. As always, we're going to want to make sure that we stir this super gently because we want to minimize the excessive bubbles at this stage. We're going to want to save those for the shower. Then you can combine this with the oil mixture. So I'm going to pour in the surfactant mixture into the bowl. Now let's add in the oil mixture. Okay, now let's gently stir this together again. And I'm back. I've got my formula right around room temperature, so it's time to finish it up. First up is your preservative, which is definitely going to be needed for this product. Any product you make that contains water, let alone a food ingredient like sugar, it definitely needs to be preserved to keep mold and bacteria from taking over. I'm using Optifen MIT Plus, which is great for lotions and scrubs. Now our fragrance. I want our scrub to smell as sweet as it looks, so I'm going to be using Pink Sugar by AFI. I've got it pre-measured out, so I can go ahead and just dump it in right now. And give it a good stir. To give the scrub a look that's true to its name and smell, I'll be using a couple drops of this pink colorant that is water soluble. Stir it up a little bit. Yeah, this color is perfect. And finally, it's time for our sugar. Just dump it in and fold it into the liquid mixture, making sure it's evenly distributed and making sure there's no clumps. This consistency is perfect. All that's left now is packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this into a pouring pitcher for an easier pour and try to minimize the messes. I've got this clear jar for packaging and I think it'll show off the product perfectly. Go ahead and pour this in. Now I'm going to screw the lid on and we're done. And just like that, your sugar scrub is complete. This product is super fun and can be customized with a ton of different fragrances and themes. If you tried it out yourself, tag our socials down below so we can see your creations. It costs about $4 to make the 8-ounce container of this scrub, meaning it can be sold wholesale for $6 to $8 and retail for $10 to $14. Want more fun fragrant goods to pair with this one in your line? Hop over to our channel and give all our DIY videos a watch. Are you a member of the notification squad? Well, you should be. Subscribe and ring that bell icon so you can always be in the know and when we post an update. As always, I'm Katie and I can't wait to see you guys here in the AFI DIY lab again real soon. Bye!